again, during Hurricane Melissa lost his roof, so we're about to do some repairs. So follow us.
Meet Dane, who lives with his mom. The roof of their house was blown off by the hurricane. Since then, they've been living with relatives. Their house is far off the main, which makes it difficult for them to receive assistance. Thanks to the supporters of Let's Rebuild Jamaica Strong, we're able to repair his house and replace his roof. There are so many more families that are desperately in need. With your continued support, we will be able to rebuild and motivate our nation to be Jamaica Strong.
We've reached as far as west, you know.